In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Google Docs. If you're brand new to ClickUp or just fine-tuning your workspace, this process will help you centralize all your content so your team can plan, write, and collaborate without breaking focus. First, log into your ClickUp account. Take a moment to enter your credentials carefully. Tiny typos can cause big delays. If your workspace uses extra verification, complete that now so everything connects smoothly. Once you're in, you're ready to bring Google Docs directly into your tasks. Let's start with embedding an existing Google Doc. Open the task where you want the document to live. In the task description or in a comment, paste the link to your Google Doc. When the link appears, select Preview. This turns the link into a live, editable window right inside ClickUp, so you can read, write, and update the doc without opening a new tab. Changes save in real time to the original file in Google Drive, which means everyone always sees the most current version. If you or your teammates can't view the doc, double-check the sharing settings in Google Drive to ensure the right people have access. This method is perfect for meeting notes, SOPs, or any draft you want to keep tied to the task's context. Next, let's create a new Google Doc from within a task. Open your task, navigate to the Attachments section, and click the plus icon. Choose New Google Doc. ClickUp will create a linked document that lives in your drive and is attached to the task for easy access. Give it a clear name so teammates instantly know what it's for, and consider using your existing doc templates to speed up consistency. From here, you can edit collaboratively, add comments, and keep everything anchored to your task's checklist, due dates, and assignees. As with embedded docs, all updates sync instantly, so there's no confusion about which file is the latest. As you work, keep a tidy structure, use descriptive task titles, organize attachments, and keep related docs in the same place. Add the doc link to the task description for quick reference, and use comments in the task to discuss decisions so your context never gets lost. This integration eliminates hunting through folders or email threads and keeps momentum high by letting you move seamlessly between planning and writing. If you found value in today's video, hitting like helps others discover this content. Share your thoughts in the comments. What worked well for you, or what you'd like to see improved next time. Your feedback directly shapes what we build next.